better with or without? Oh no, I look tired. Okay, glasses on. Hey guys, so what's up? I thought I would just pop in today to kind of let you know what's been happening. So I don't even think it was a month ago that I released my room tour, my updated room tour with my loft bed and my desk underneath and all that fun stuff. And then I got a cold a few weeks ago, which sucked. And then my office got hit with the plague, so we all worked from home. And I was sitting at my desk, and you know what? I was like, I'm tired of bumping my head every morning. So, here's the tea. I decided to redo my room again. Yay! So that is what I've been doing, and what has been taking up a lot of my time. I am going to be filming a video that's hopefully going to go up on Friday between today and tomorrow. It's going to be a longer one. Well, long-ish. Long filming time, short watching time. But anyways, I'm standing in front of my closet, ooh, which looks different than in the video because Javier, my giant mirror, is gone. This is Javier Jr. And I went through all of my clothes, which is going to be another completely different video. And I got rid of a bunch. But let me just show you guys kind of the progress I've made, because I haven't been filming the changing my room progress as much. I might film painting it, but like, who knows? I might just do the final reveal and like use videos. But anyways, this is where I'm sleeping right now. I'm roughing it with a mattress on the ground. Ooh, ah. But so my room has a lot more room now. I took the bags down. I did have to move the shelf that was obviously by my bed right here, if for those who've seen it, and it is completely out of order. None of this is in order. So yeah, there's a big pile of clothes there because that was obviously on top of the double wardrobe, which, as you can see, is not there anymore. My bags from my bag wall on the other wall are all right up there. I got rid of a few shoes, so there's holes here and there. Then again, I did fill it up, but I gotta go through that again. I moved my small mirror. There's my bed. It is down and packaged and listed because I am selling it. So that's what's happening there. We have this section. Well, that's my snack tray. That's staying. These are two videos that I'm going to be filming hopefully this week. The pink one is probably going to be Friday's video. Ooh, sneaky, sneaky. Underneath my pillows, I've got some Lolita stuff that I'm selling. This is all bags I'm selling. Miscellaneous clothing, shoes. You girls being good. And then, of course, right now my shelves look absolutely like a mess. But yeah, this is what the room's looking like right now, guys. So this is what I'm working with. This is the tea. This is what's happening, which is kind of why I'm a little away and absent right now. But I'm hoping that I'm going to be posting on Friday. Well, no, I'm going to be posting on Friday. I'm going to like be filming today and tomorrow, editing, getting the video out for approval, and then yeah, that'll come out on Friday. But this is what's happening. I'm redoing my room, so like expect another updated room tour maybe in the summer. I think that's what I said. I was gonna release the one that came out, but yeah. And then obviously I am working on my wardrobe tour, which is gonna be coming out soon too. But yeah, I'm working on a lot of stuff right now, so I'm a busy bee, trying to get organized, trying to get rid of stuff that I'm not using anymore, trying to be good about that. But yes, anyways, that's the tea. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you on Friday. Bye!